Good morning, children. Today you have English text, and uh, and I hope you have spent your days nicely. But soon you have in next week you have a small revision test. So now you have to study something. So in English text, I have given page number 16, 17, 18 for study. You have to learn so many questions from there, and one poem is there. Once I saw a little whatever. You have to learn at least 5 lines. So go through all these questions, answer, and poem. And today I'm going to teach the. You have one workbook also in English text. You have one workbook, and so many pages you have already done. No, in this workbook you have done up to page 8, right? Today, whatever is in page number 9, just open page 9. Names of the things. Names of the thing, actually it's a noun, but I in KG2 you don't have, I think you don't have noun, so I didn't teach noun. But as a picture has given, so many picture has given, so many words have given here. It's just for handwriting you can write, keep on practice. So page number 9 has given a picture of animals, not only animals, things, different things, and under that there is written their proper name, but that name is in not clearly written. It's a dot only, but you have to make the all the dots, touch the dots and write the proper word. Type of, it's a type of handwriting, so you do it, you write, and without help your parents or me you can write yourself. So page number 9, what is there? Dog, cat, apple, coat, egg, frog, gate, hen, bus, jar, jeep, and key. So all the words are, you are familiar with this word, and you write down, and nothing more, just write. Keep on practice. For practice, just write down all the words, and already written here. You don't need to think or learn and then write. Just type of handwriting you can write. And now turn page number 10. Page number 10 is also same. So many pictures, the words are given in dot. All the dots you just write over that letter. What is there? There is first one is LOCK, lock. Number 2 is MUG, mug. Lock, mug. Third one is NET, net. Number 4 is owl, OWL, owl. Number 5th, PEN, pen. Next, ROSE, rose. Next, SUN, sun. SUN, sun. TAP, tap. BED, bed. BED, bed. VAN, fan. VAN, fan. AXE, X. AXE, X. ZIP, zip. Picture has given, word also has given. Just for handwriting you can write yourself, no need any help. It's a very easy, and I think you have this type of word you have already learned in KG1. So write page number 9 and 10. And what is page number in 11? Circle the word which does not belongs to the group. that means odd one out. So here are so many words, but these words are not belongs to same group. It's a sound are same, but one word sound is different, that you have to circle. One has already done bin, tin, pin. I sound is there. One is different, x. X is odd, so you can make circle. Second one is cap, bag, tap. These three words, cap, bag, tap, is a sound. Next one is bed. There is one e sound. Bed is different. You can make the circle. Next one is pen, lock, ten, hen. Pen, ten, hen is a e sound. One is o sound, lock. Lock is different. You can make the circle lock. Next, jug, mug, jar, tug. Jug, mug, tug is u sound. U is there. And each word, in middle of each word is u. That means same. But jar is a is there. Jar is different. You can make the circle on jar. Next, back, sack, tin, pack. Back, sack, pack. All are same sound, but tin is I sound, different. Make the circle on tin. Next, hat, mat, sat, sun. Hat, mat, sat is same a sound. Sun is u is in sun, u is there. You can make the circle on sun. Next, pot, dot, cot, ball. Pot, dot, cot. O, all these three are O sound, but ball is A is there. That means ball is different. You can make the circle on ball. Pet, jar, car, far. Jar, car, far is the same sound, but pet, E is there. So pet is different. Pet, you can make the circle. Pet is a odd one. It's not belongs to the group. Does not belongs to the group. Next one is make, duck, bake, cake. Make, bake, cake is the these three are same because A is there. A sound is there. But duck, in duck U is there. It's not same. It's a different. It does not belongs to the group. So you will make the circle on the duck. So do it. It's very easy. That's why I am telling. Page number 9, 10. 9 and 10 is just like handwriting. 11, it's an odd one. And sound I have taught in a textbook in page number, maybe page number. So many sound was there. Yes. Page number 6, 7 and yes, 6 and 7. There was A sound, E sound, I sound, O sound, U sound. So many sound was there, words were there. So you can, you have idea what is the sound, different sound. So you can do page number 11 yourself. So, and one more page is there, 12, page number 12. Match the word clouds. Color the clouds. Yes, here has given so many clouds. Have you ever seen the clouds in the sky? Here is also given so many clouds, and one same word has given in two clouds. Suppose home, home. In two clouds, in both the clouds there is written home, home. That's home to home, you have to match. Same way, there is another two clouds, there is written mummy, mummy. That two mummies you have to match with the line. And after that, all the clouds you can put the color. Okay. So mummy is there, two clouds, mummy is written there. Two clouds, there is girl written, boy written, have also, my also, like also. So all same words, you just match with the line. So do it. You have lot of time. You can do yourself very easy. It's a workbook. Work yourself and enjoy the day also. And next week you have exam, not exam, it's a small revision test. You will today I have given the routine of the revision test through the snapshot option. You just check it out and be prepared for that test. 20 marks test is there, and whatever I will give, that pages I have mentioned in that routine also. So go through your revision test and at the same time do it workbook also. Take a in workbook page number 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 pages I have done. It's a type of activities actually, and it's a type of handwriting. So don't think for ma'am has given 4 pages homework. Okay, so enjoy the day and do your homework. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.